Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to deal with few example problem and exercise 1.3 so that you can take page number 19 in your NCERT textbook. Okay children? Today children, we are going to continue from page number 19. Okay, in previous class what we have discussed? We have discussed the properties of integers under multiplication. So in this example and exercise problems, we are completely dealing with how to do integer multiplications. Okay, what are the rules are there? How to do that integer multiplication, that we are going to discuss in this session. Okay, so we can take page number 19. In that page number, example 2 is what we are going to discuss today. Okay, so first find each of the following products. Okay, so what they ask you to find? Each of the following product, which means we have to multiply this and we have to find the answer. So already we have learned that integers are closed under multiplication, then it is commutative under multiplication, associative, like that we have learned few properties, right? So by using that properties, you can easily solve these problems. Okay, so how many integers are given in this question? 1, 2, 3. If 3 integers are given, I'll give you a clue, okay, that we can use our associative property to solve this problem. Okay, associative property. What is associative property? A into B into C equal to A into B into C, right? This is what your associative property. If 3 integers are given with multiplication sign, you can use associative property. Okay, so what are the integers? Minus 18 is one integer, minus 10 is one integer, 9 is one integer. So I am going to take this. In associative property, the actual meaning is after doing 3 integers are there, means after doing multiplication of 2 integers, with that answer you will multiply this one. That is the concept. Here actually we are multiplying first the B into C. With that answer I am multiplying with A. Here I am going to multiply A into B. With that answer I am going to multiply with C. That's my concept is. So what I am going to do is, I am also going to do the same. Minus 18 into minus 10. I am segregating into one common bracket and I am separating that 9. Like associative property, like A into B in one bracket. Which means if 3 numbers are there, first you multiply any 2 number. With that answer, you will multiply the third number. That is my concept, okay? So first I am going to multiply these 2 numbers. So 18 into 10, multiplication means first you will multiply the numbers. 18 into 10, 180. Next you will multiply the symbols. Minus into minus, plus. Okay, 18 into 10, 180. Minus into minus, plus. That's all. Into 9. I told you after multiplying these two, with that answer I am going to multiply the third one. Okay, so now first I am going to multiply 180 into 9. 180 into 9. 0. 8 9s are 72, 7, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 7, 16. So answer is 1620. Next I am going to multiply the symbols. Here plus it is given. If nothing it is there, what is the value? Plus. Plus into plus, plus. So my answer is 1620. If 3 numbers are there, you will combine 2 and you will find the answer. With that answer, you will find the third one. Okay, understood? This is your second question. In the same example, second question I am going to teach you. Okay, see this. Here how many integers are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally we have how many integers? 4 integers. I told you if there is a 3 integer, you will use the associative property and you will combine 2 and with that answer you will combine the third one. Right. So here we have 4 things. So what we will do is, you will combine 2 2s. Listen, here there is a 4 integers, so I am going to combine like 2 to this 2 one set, this 2 one set. Or you can combine this and this, or this and this, anything. Okay, 2 I am combining, that's all. No other confusions. So first I told you, I have to multiply this first, then this first. With those answers, I am going to multiply the answer. Now, 20 into 2, 40, minus into minus, plus. First I am going to multiply the number alone, 20 into 2, 40, minus into minus, plus. Then, multiplication, this multiplication I wrote, 5 into 7, 35, minus into plus, nothing it is there, so plus, minus into plus, minus. Now, 40 into 35, right? 40 into 35 I am going to do. 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 14. So, 1400, because this 0 is there, so I wrote 0. Plus into minus, minus. So, answer is 1400. See, if the 4 numbers are there, you will combine 2 2s and you will find the answer for this as plus 40. This answer is minus 35. Then you multiply these two answers. What is my answer is? Minus 1400. Next, your third problem. In example 2, third problem is your homework, children. Okay. Next is your example 3. Okay. Now, we have to verify. Verify means what you have to take now? You have to take LHS part and your RHS part. Okay, LHS means which is in your left hand side. So, this is my LHS and this part is my RHS. Okay, so I have to take LHS separately, RHS separately, and I have to solve both. Both the answers are same, then we have verified. Because they have said that both are equal. Equal means we have to prove both the answers are equal. If it is not equal, we have to prove whether that are not equal. That you keep it in your mind. Okay, verify means this is equal to this. Whether this value is equal to this value. That is my question. Okay, now understood the question? Now, I am going to take LHS part, which is my left hand side. Which is my left hand? This is my left hand, so I am going to take this. Okay, so minus 30 into 13 plus minus 3. Okay, this is what my LHS part. Right, so I told you by BODMAS rule, we have to do the calculations within bracket. Okay, so first minus 30 you write as such, plus, multiplication, minus 30 multiplication. Now I am going to remove all those brackets. Now 13 I will write as such, plus into minus, minus 3. Okay, now did you understand? Minus 30 I am writing as such, because always bracket play an important role in BODMAS rule. So here whatever the brackets inside it, you should remove that first. Okay, so first 13 plus into minus, minus 3 bracket, close bracket. Okay, now minus 30 as such into 13 minus 3, 10. Over. Now, can we remove this bracket? 30 into 10, 300. Minus into plus, minus. So, what is my LHS values? Minus 300. Listen, minus 30 as such. 13 plus into minus, minus 3. 13 minus 3, 10. Now, I am going to remove this also. So, this is one integer, this is one integer. I am going to multiply those two integers. So, for my multiplication, what I told you, we have to multiply the numbers first. 30 into 10, 300, minus into plus, nothing it is there. So, plus. Minus into plus, minus. So, minus 300 is my LHS value. Now, what is our role? We have to do the RHS calculation. What is my RHS? Now, we can do, right? Minus 30 into 13 plus minus 30 into minus 3. Okay. Now I told you we should do the bracket calculation first. Okay. So now 30, because the minus 30 is one integer, 13 is one integer. So I am going to multiply those two integers. 13 into 3, what is that? 39. So 30 into minus 30, you will write 390. Minus into plus, minus. So can we put it in bracket? Because I have solved this fully and I wrote minus 30, minus 390. Okay. 30 into 30, 390. Minus into plus, minus 390. Next, this plus I am writing. Next, 30 into 3, 90. Minus into minus, plus. Okay. 30 into 3, 90. Minus into minus, plus. Now, can you remove all the brackets? Minus 390. Plus into plus, plus. Because minus here plus. So, plus into minus, minus. 390. Plus into plus, 90. Okay. Now, different sign. So, I told you we have to subtract it. 390 minus 90, 300. Which is your greater number? 390. What is the symbol of 390? Minus. So you can put minus 300. Okay, because both the signs are different, I am going to subtract here. Here all it is a multiplication. If multiplication symbol is not there, it means that we have to do addition and subtraction. 390 minus 90, 300. Which is greater number? 390. So what is the sign? Minus. So 300. So LHS value is also minus 300. RHS value also minus 300. So both are equal. So we have verified that this answer is equal to this answer. Understood, children? We are going to deal with exercise problem. Okay. Remaining two examples are there that I will take in the next class. Okay. So exercise 1.3. You can take page number 21. Okay, you can take page number 21 in that exercise 1.3. The first problem, find each of the following products. Here also the same way you are going to find the product of integers. Okay, so listen, here how many integers are there? 2 integers. 3 is a positive integer, minus 1 is a negative integer. So just we are going to multiply that and going to find the answer. I told you before going to do the multiplication, what you have to do the multiplication? You have to do the multiplication of numbers. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. Plus nothing it is there. So plus into minus, minus 3. Understood? 3 into 1, 3. Plus into minus, minus C. So this is my answer. Okay. Next I am going to teach the C question because B question is your homework. Next. Here also we have 2 integers. 21 into 30. 21 into 3. 63. 63. 630. Okay. 21 into 30. 630. Right. So minus into minus, plus. So answer is 630. 21 into 30, 630. Minus into minus, plus 630. Understood how to write it? Next, how many integers are there? E question. 1, 2, 3. For 1, 2, 3. If 3 integers are there, what I told you to follow? We have to use the associative property. Associative property is, first you are going to combine any two. With that answer, I am going to multiply the third one. So first I am going to write minus 15 into 0 as one thing and into minus 18, which means I am going to combine this two alone first. Then into minus 18. Okay. I told you a multiplication by 0. Any number or any integer if you multiply by 0, you will get 0. Right. So 15 minus 15 into 0 also 0. Then into minus 18. After multiplying this, I am getting 0 as answer. Then with that answer, I am going to multiply minus 18. 0 into minus 18, 0. So my answer is 0. Understood how to write these problems? This is your G question. Okay. In this G question, how many integers are there? 3 integers. So how you will write it? By using associative property. I am going to combine. See, listen. 9 into minus 3. Then into minus 6, you can write it separately. 9 into minus 3, I am combining it using a bracket. Now, 9 3s are 27, plus into minus, minus. Then you write this into, then minus 6. Now, minus 27 is one integer, minus 6 is one integer. I am just going to multiply, that's all. 27 into 6. Now, 7 6 are 42. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Right? So, 162 is my answer. Minus into minus, plus. So, plus 162 is my answer. I have combined 9 into 3, 27, plus into minus, minus 27, into minus 6. 27 into 6, 162. Then, minus into minus, plus. Okay, next question. Here, how many integers are there? 4. So, how you will combine? 2 2's you will combine. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. This is how you will combine this 2 one set, this 2 one set. Okay. Now, minus 1 into 2, 2, minus into minus, plus. Then into 3 into 4, 12. Minus into plus, minus. Now, I got the answer for this and this. Now, I am going to multiply these two. 12 2s are 24. Plus into minus, minus 24 is my answer. Then listen carefully. Your B question, D question, F, H, J are all homework. Okay, children? This is your second question. Okay. In second question, A is your homework, children. B I am going to teach you. Okay. So what is meant by verify? We have to verify whether our LHS answer is equal to the RHS answer. So first we should take LHS. Okay. LHS I am going to take. So minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. This is what my LHS. I told you already we have to remove all the brackets. Okay, so first minus 21 you write as such into minus 4 plus into minus minus 6. Is it correct? Here nothing it is there. So plus. Plus into minus minus 4. Plus into minus minus 6. Now we understood. Now here both are same sign. So you can add it, right? So minus 21 you write as such into minus 4 minus 6 means 10. Minus minus same sign. So minus 10. Okay. Same sign you are going to add 6 plus 4 10 and putting the same sign. Now 21 into 10 210. Minus into minus plus 210. 21 into 10 210. Plus minus into minus plus 210. So this is what my LHS answer. Next I am going to take RHS. This is all you should work out, children, in your classwork note so that you can able to understand it very easily. Okay. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Okay. Now I am going to solve this. I told you we can do this separately, then you can add it. Okay, now 21 into 4 because minus 21 is one integer, minus 4 is one integer. So I am going to multiply two integers. 21 into 4, 1 4s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So answer is 84. Minus into minus plus 84. Okay, next this plus I am going to write it. Next minus 21 into 6. So 6 12. 126 minus into minus plus 126. Did you understand? 21 minus 21 into minus 4 plus 84 minus 21 into minus 6 plus 126. Now I am going to remove all the bracket. Plus into plus plus 84 plus into plus plus 126. Now 84 plus 126 I am going to add it. 10, 11, 2. So what is my answer? 210. So if it is better than 210 plus 210, both are same, right? So LHS value and RHS value are same. So it is verified. So here plus 210, here also 210. 210 is also plus 210 only. Understood, children? In today's session, we have discussed how to multiply integers. Okay, we have discussed few example problems and few exercise problem. And I have given few problems as homework. So you can do it in your homework note, children. Thank you.